Good morning children and welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? We already in block 16 finding directions is our lesson. We already finished our LP1. In that lesson what we had learned? We had learned what is the difference between cardinal directions and what are the difference between the left and right directions. Right? Why we call them north and south, east and west as a cardinal directions. So today we are going to move on our LP2. Let's see what we can learn in that our LP2. Okay. So children, if anyone come to you and ask what is the time now, then what you do? How you are going to tell the time? Immediately you are going to look into your wall clock, or immediately you will look into your wristwatches, and then you will tell this is a time, it's about 9:15 or 9:20 or 8:15 or 12 o'clock or 12:30. This is how you are going to tell the time. But have you ever thought, what if there are no wall clocks and what if there are no watches? Then how we are going to tell the time? Do you think it is possible to tell the time without wall clock and without the wristwatches? Do you think it is possible to tell the time? Yes, it is possible. So now we have wall clocks and now we have watches to tell the time. But what the olden people used to tell? How they used to tell the time if they don't have any wall clocks and if they don't have any wristwatches? Do you think they are able to tell the time? Yes, in olden times, people are used to tell the time by using the sun. Yes, by using the changing position of the sun and by seeing the shade, the sunlight, the light of the sun, they used to tell the time. How they used to tell means by using directions of the sun. By using the changing position of the sun and the shade of the sun, they used to tell the time. So, it comes early in the morning, they used to tell it is a morning, after morning, and if it is exactly on our head, the sun is exactly on our head, they used to tell it is a mid-afternoon, and if it is sun setting, then they used to tell it is going to be a sunset, it is going to be a evening, and this is going to be a before evening. That is how they used to tell the time. So, for that what we have to know? We have to know exactly the place where the sun rises and where the sun sets. Can anyone tell in which direction always the sun rises? Yes, the sun always rises in the east direction and always the sun sets in the west direction. The sun always rises in the east direction and the sun always sets in the west direction. Do you think if we know the east and west, it is possible to locate the remaining two directions, the north and south? Yes. If we know where exactly the sun rises and where exactly the sun sets, it is very easy to locate the remaining directions, the south and the north as well as. How we are going to point out? For example, if we are facing the rising sun, exactly, then which side I am facing my face? Yes, we all know the sun rises always in the east direction. So my face, and I am facing the east direction and my back will be west. My back will be west. Children, if I am facing a rising sun, then I am facing my face to east, then my back will be west. Then always I have my left hand side, it will be north, and my right hand side, it will be south. If I am facing a rising sun, then I have in front of my face, it is east, and then my back will be west, and then my left hand side is my north and my right hand side is my south. Again I am telling children, if I am facing a rising sun, then I am facing east and then my back will be west and my left will be north and my right will be south. Okay children? So now we will look on the blackboard. So here, imagine that this is a morning time. So where I am facing, the sun always rises in the east. So opposite east direction, which direction I have? West. So opposite which direction I have? West. So if I am facing the rising sun, then I am facing the east side and my back will be my west and my north will be my left hand side. My north will be my left hand side and my south will be my right hand side children. Right? So this is how. Now I am facing a rising sun, then my back will be west, and my left hand side I will have north, and my right hand side I will have south. When I am facing rising sun, when I am facing a morning sun, then I am facing east side, and my back will be west, and my north will I have my left side, and south will be my right hand side. Did you all understood, children? Yes? Okay, children. Now look at. Now I am facing a sunset. Up to now what I face? I am facing a rising sun. What I said? If I am facing a rising sun, then I stood east side. Then my back will be west. Then my back will be west. So now I am facing a sunset. Here the sun is setting right. Right now from east to west. So now I am facing the west side. So do you think these directions will change? This north and south will change? No. Even though we change our position, this north and south will never change. That's why we call them as a cardinal directions. Here what are the positions? Here I am changing the position. Here my right hand side I have a south, and my left hand side here I have a north, because I am facing the rising sun. But here what I did? Now I changed my position. Now I am back, and now I am facing the sunset. Now I am facing the sunset. So now I am changing my position from front to back. Now where I have earlier, where I have my west on my back side. Now I am turning to west side. Now I am facing the sunset. That means I am facing the west side. So I will have my back east, and my right hand side I will have a south, and my left hand side I have a south, and my right hand side I have a north. Here the cardinal directions didn't change. Here the south and north didn't change. Only my left, my right sides only changed. Here what are the sides which we have got changed here? My left, my right. So one more time I am going to explain you. When I am facing the sun rising, at that time I am facing east side. Then my back will be west, and my right hand side I have a south, and my left hand side I have a north. But when I changed my face from sunrise to sunset, here the cardinal directions didn't change. Only my left became my right, and my right became my left, and my right became my left, and my left became my right. Right, children? So here the south and north didn't change. Here which side I have a south? Here I have a right side. But here now I have a left side south. Did you understand? When I am facing a sun rising, at that time south side. That means south side I have my right hand side. But now I have south on my left and north on my right hand side. Why this happened? Because now I am facing a sun setting. That means I am facing a west side, and my back will be my east side. Why this happened means I am facing a sun setting. Here the cardinal directions didn't change. Only left and right only changed. Here I have south on my right side. Here it became north on my right hand side, and left became south. Here only changed the directions. Here only changed directions. Before, when I was facing sunrise, at that time south is my right side and north is my left side. Now what happened? Now south became my left and north became my right. Did you all understand, children? So here these coordinate directions didn't change. Only because I changed my position from front to back, this happened. My right became left, my left became right, children. Understood, everyone? Yes? Okay, now everyone please open your volumes, please. Yes, everyone please open your volume, page number 41 and S2, directions of the sun. So here we have a first question, fill in the blanks. The sun rises in the dash and sets in the dash. You know the answer very well. Now B, the direction exactly opposite to the rising sun is. That direction exactly opposite to the rising sun here. You have to careful. Okay. Now second question, look at the picture. Neha is going to school in the morning. Find out the directions based on the position of Neha and label them on the arrows. So here you don't have to write lengthy answers, just you have to point out the directions. So here Neha is going to school in the morning. Find out the directions based on the position of Neha. So which side we have a rising sun? That means with this direction will become, yes, east, and it will be west. When we are facing rising sun, then that time north will be our left side, and if we know the north, it is very easy to point out the south, Nana. Next question. Look at the picture. Neha is coming back from the school in the evening. Find out the directions based on the position of Neha and label them on the arrows. So now look at the picture. Neha is coming back from the school in the evening. Find out the directions based on the position of Neha and label them on the arrows. So here now Neha is facing sunset, right? So which direction actually she should? So which directions we have to find here? This is west, right? If we know the where east and west and north, it is very easy to find out the remaining directions. For this I am not going to tell the answer, you only have to write the answer. Okay, so now Neha is going to school in the morning. The sun is shining behind her. Find the directions for Neha. Neha is going to the school in the morning. The sun is shining behind her. That means which side Neha is located, her face? Yes, you know the answer. Find the directions for the Neha. Here you have to find the directions. Okay. So I hope everyone will find the directions. Okay. Please complete your volume and send through WhatsApp. Thank you.